Whenever I make eggs like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. Start by adding 6 hard-boiled eggs to a large skillet over medium heat with hot vegetable oil and fry for 3 minutes. After that time, remove from the oil. Transfer to a medium bowl and mash everything very well. Then add a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, parsley to taste. Four tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix everything very well until smooth. This is the ideal consistency. After doing this, flatten 6 slices of crustless bread. Now, on 1 slice of bread, add a slice of cheddar cheese. Add the egg mixture. Brush beaten eggs on the edges. Place another flattened slice of bread on top and seal with a fork. Take this time to share the video and write in the comments. The city where you are watching from, and we will react with a little heart especially for you. Oh, and thank you for sharing this video. It should look like this. Repeat this process with all the bread. Next, coat them first by dipping them in beaten eggs and then in panko breadcrumbs. Then, add it to a large skillet over medium-low heat with hot vegetable oil. Fry until golden brown. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us reach even further. This is the ideal point. Aquela receta is ready. You can serve and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. Now I'm going to leave a little heart in the comments for everyone who wrote the name of their city. Until the next recipe, bye-bye.